What's up? Same old S again. Today, I'm breaking down how to test distributed systems like a pro. First things first, what is distributed testing? It's a type of testing that involves multiple systems working together. Imagine a symphony orchestra. Each instrument or system must play its part correctly. It's crucial to ensure that these systems communicate and operate seamlessly. But I gotta say, it's no walk in the park. Implementing and debugging can be quite challenging, So when should you perform distributed testing? Anytime you have multiple systems interacting or when the systems are particularly complex. This type of testing is your best friend for catching bugs early in the development process. However, I won't sugarcoat it. Distributed testing comes with its own set of challenges. It's tough to implement, even tougher to debug, and let's face it, it can be time-consuming. But don't worry. I've got some tips on how to tackle it. One common method is using a test framework. This can help automate and manage your tests across different systems. Another useful approach is to use simulation tools, which can mimic real-world interactions between your systems. To wrap it up, distributed testing is a powerful tool for ensuring your complex, multi-system applications run smoothly. Yes, it has its challenges, but with the right approach, you can conquer it like a pro. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering distributed systems. Catch you in the next video.